In this tutorial, we are going to write a program to take two numbers and check which one of them is greater than the other. So let's create a main method. Here is where we are going to write our code. Let's declare some variables to hold our numbers. We will create a scanner object to scan input from the user. We will scan the first number and store it in our x variable. We will scan the second number and store it in our y variable. Now that we have the two numbers, we will use the if-else statement to check which one of them is greater than the other. If this condition is true, we will print that x is greater than y. If this condition is false, we will print that y is greater than x. Let's now run this. So we'll click on this button. Enter the first number. Enter the second number. We get that 100 is greater than 50.